Hello everybody, it's me, Prima, your favorite red dragon, and today I'm going to assist you with setting up Video Ninja, or OBS Ninja, the tool that people can use to bring other people's models into their streams for collabs. It's super fun, it's super amazing, so let's get into it. Alright, so what we first want to do is you actually want to go to VTube Studio. Yeah, you want to be in VTube Studio for this. So the first thing you do, you hit the cog wheel. Right, there you go, perfect. And you go up here to the camera icon. I know it's kind of hard to see because I have a thing up there. And you scroll down until you see virtual webcam config. And you want to make sure you activate your virtual webcam. This is very, very important, okay? Very, very, very important. And then the next thing we want to do is you want to go to the website, either type in OBS Ninja or video.ninja. Alright, so first thing you're going to see is these four options right here. All you want to do is you want to hit add your camera to OBS. And if your virtual webcam is on, you should see this. You should see the video source and click VTube Studio Cam. Next thing you do is put no audio, or else there's going to be a big echo. So we want to make sure the audio source is put on no audio. With the video source, you can choose what resolution you want depending on your internet speed. And all you have to do is you hit start, and you'll see a nice green link up at the top here. And all you have to do is share that with your friend. That way they can add it as a video source in their OBS. And that's it. And it's the same with them. If your friend wants to have you on their stream, they just send you a link and you add it as a video source on your OBS. So there we go. That's how you use Video Ninja for collabs. I would love it if you guys liked and commented on the video, and maybe check out my stream at twitch.tv/PrimaKin. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!